If she's ignoring you, there's only one thing you should do: ignore her back. Most guys panic. They start overthinking, checking their phone every 5 minutes, wondering, did I do something wrong? Then they text her again. Big mistake. The moment you start chasing, you've already lost. Women respect men who don't beg. They don't want a guy who's sitting around, waiting for them to respond. They want a man who is busy, focused, and in control. So, if she's ignoring you, don't react emotionally. Stay calm, stay in control, follow these steps, and watch what happens next. Step 1. Stop texting her immediately. Most guys make the same mistake. She ignores them for a few hours, and they send another text. Hey, did you see my message? Did I do something wrong? Are you mad at me? And when that doesn't work, they try even harder. They send funny memes. They comment on her Instagram. They like her old photos just to get her attention. Stop. When a woman ignores you, do nothing. She saw your message. Women are glued to their phones 24/7. The second you sent that text, she read it, but she made a choice to not reply. If she wanted to talk to you, she would. It's that simple. When you start chasing, you lower your value. She now sees you as a guy who needs her attention, and the moment she senses that, her attraction drops. So, what do you do instead? Nothing. Delete the chat. Forget she exists. Move forward like she never mattered. When you give her silence instead of desperation, she starts to wonder, wait, why isn't he chasing me? Did he lose interest? Did he find someone better? That's when the power shifts back to you. Step 2, show her she's not important. Women love attention. They want to feel desired, chased, and validated. That's why they post selfies. That's why they play games. But the moment you ignore her back, you break the cycle. Instead of sitting around waiting for her message, here's what you do. Go out and do something. Hit the gym. Go out with friends. Take a trip. Live your life. Post something high value. Not a selfie, not a sad quote, but something that shows you're having fun, improving yourself, or just living your best life. Be seen. If she follows you on social media, make sure she sees that you're busy, unbothered, and thriving without her. She needs to see that your world doesn't stop just because she's playing games. Women are wired to chase men who are in demand. If she starts to feel like she's losing you, if she sees that you're doing just fine without her, her curiosity will kick in. And guess what? That's when she comes back. Step 3, focus on your mission. Women don't fall in love with men who chase them. They fall in love with men who have a mission, a goal, a bigger purpose. If you're sitting around waiting for a text from her, you're not on your mission, and she can feel that. Think about the men women admire the most: successful entrepreneurs, athletes, musicians, leaders. Do you think they're checking their phone every 5 minutes, wondering if some random girl texted them back? Number, because they're too busy winning in life. So instead of worrying about a woman who's ignoring you, shift your focus, hit the gym, improve your physique, look like a man she doesn't want to lose, work on your business, make more money, build a lifestyle that attracts women effortlessly, develop your skills, read, learn, grow, become smarter, stronger, better. When you do this, something incredible happens. You stop caring whether she texts you back or not, because now she's the one who needs to impress you. And when she sees you rising in life while she was busy playing games, she'll regret ever ignoring you. Step 4, when she returns, don't make it easy. Now here's the best part. When she finally texts you back, because she will, most guys make the mistake of getting too excited. They reply instantly. Hey, I missed you. I was just thinking about you. So glad you texted. Wrong. You let her wait, just like she made you wait. If she asks, where have you been? You say, busy. No emojis, no over explaining, no excitement. She needs to feel like she lost a high value man, like you had better things to do than sit around waiting for her reply. And here's the key: don't give her the same attention she had before. Make her earn it. She ignored you, she played games, then she needs to work to get back in your life. That's how you set the standard. Final thoughts. Women, respect men who can walk away. If she's ignoring you, ignore her back. Focus on your own life. Become a better man. Make her regret taking you for granted. And when she finally comes back, you decide if she's even worth it. Because at the end of the day, you're the prize. So tell me, will you keep chasing, or will you let her chase you?